Over 85% of Mac users don't know how to clear out the other storage. Well, many are not aware of what the other storage is. Let's figure things out. Other storage contains data that does not fall into categories like system files, apps, photos or movies, and so on. Other storage on Mac may include temporary and cached files, application support data, plugins and extensions, and other file types not recognized by your Mac. Now that we've figured out what other storage is, let's see how to reduce the space it takes up on the hard drive. If you've got all the time in the world, you can manually search for and delete dozens, if not hundreds of files one by one. Yet, this does not guarantee that you'll find and remove everything that should be removed. A much easier and faster way to clean other storage is to make use of designated Mac cleaning apps. In a matter of moments, it will figure out what's eating up your hard drive space and let you delete unnecessary data in a single mouse click. Yes, that's simple. So don't waste your time and your disk space. Get rid of useless data on your Mac right now.